Hi guys, in front of me is Vivo Y16 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select lock screen and wallpaper and go to wallpaper. Just go with all needed agreements and then just pick the picture that you want to apply as your home screen. Let me choose, for example, this one and then click on apply. Now it's time to decide if this picture is for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I would choose both, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it has been applied and you've got brand new wallpaper and also home screen picture. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.